Hello again, children. Welcome back to my online class. I'm your online teacher, Sir Lip. Today, I will discuss the order of operations in solving word problem. Example, Mother gave me 500 pesos for the materials that I need to buy for my math subject. These are the things that I bought. Glue, 19 pesos and 50 centavos. Permanent marker worth 27 pesos and 50 centavos. Illustration board, 9 pesos and 25 centavos. Colored pencils, 56 pesos and 75 centavos. And plastic cover worth 15 pesos and 10 centavos. Here are the questions. How much money was given to me? My mother gave me 500 pesos. How much does each material cost? The things that I bought are glue, 19 pesos and 50 centavos, permanent marker, 27 pesos and 50 centavos, illustration board, 9 pesos and 25 centavos, colored pencils, 56 pesos and 75 centavos, and plastic cover, 15 pesos and 10 centavos. How much was my total expenses? So we need to add all the given. So the total amount of my expenses is 128 pesos and 10 centavos. How much change did I receive? So we need to subtract 500 pesos minus 128 pesos and 10 centavos. So I received 371 pesos and 90 centavos. Solving word problems involving the four basic operations. Mother bought 12 notebooks at 10 pesos each, 6 balloons at 6 pesos each, and 4 pencils at 5 pesos each. How much is her change if she gave 1,000 pesos to the cashier? First, we need to understand the problem. What are the given facts? The given are 12 notebooks at 10 pesos each, 6 ball pens at 6 pesos each, 4 pencils at 5 pesos each, and 1,000 pesos amount given to the cashier. What is asked in the problem? The amount of change. We need to plan how to solve the problem. What operations are applicable? Since we need to know the total price of the items, we need to use multiplication to get the total expenses. We will add all the products and subtract to get how much is her change. How to write the equation? So, 1,000 pesos minus, open and close bracket, open and close parenthesis, 12 times 10 plus, open and close parenthesis, 6 times 6 plus, open and close parenthesis, 4 times 5 equals n. So we need to solve 1,000 minus 12 times 10 equals 120 plus 6 times 6 equals 36 plus 4 times 5 equals 20. So, 1,000 minus 120 plus 36 plus 20. 120 plus 36 plus 20 equals 176. So, 1,000 minus 176. So, we need to regroup 0 becomes 10, 9, and 9 and 0. 10 minus 6 equals 4. 9 minus 7 equals 2. 9 minus 1 equals 8. The answer is 824. So, mother received 824 pesos change. Order of operations in solving word problems. In solving equations and word problems involving series of operation, you need to follow the GEMDAS or MDAS. G for grouping symbol, braces, bracket, and parentheses. Solve the innermost operation inside the grouping symbol. So we need to solve first the given inside the parentheses, bracket, or braces. Letter E for exponent. Find the value of the numbers with exponent. Next, M for multiply and D for divide. Do the multiplication or division first in the order which they occur from left to right. So it's either multiplication or division. Next, A for add and S for subtract. Do the addition or subtraction next starting from left to right. Example, in this equation, we need to use GEMDAS, grouping, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. The given is open and close bracket 26 plus open and close parenthesis 36 divided by 4 minus 3 squared times 2 equals n. First, we need to solve the number inside the parenthesis, which is 36 divided by 4. So copy open and close bracket 26 plus 36 divided by 4 equals 9. Minus 3 squared equals 9 times 2 equals n. Then open and close parenthesis 26 plus 9 equals 35 minus 9 times 2. Then multiply first. 9 times 2 equals 18. So 35 minus 18 equals 17. Example number 2, we will use MDAS, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, because there is no grouping symbol and exponent. First, divide 96 divided by 6 equals 16. Then 16 times 5 equals 80. So, 67 plus 80 minus 50. So, we need to add first 67 plus 80 equals 147 minus 50. So, 147 minus 50 equals 97. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again next time.